In the question, we are given the current sensitivity as 5 division milliampere, voltage sensitivity as 20 division per voltage, and we need to find the resistance of the galvanometer. The answer is pretty simple. We just need to go by textbooks. The current sensitivity is calculated by theta by I, okay, which can be written as per the given value 5 by 10 to the minus 3. The reason we wrote 10 to the minus 3 here is that originally the current sensitivity is defined in ampere, right? So when we convert milliampere to ampere, giving the value of 10 to the minus 3. Solving this, we get theta upon I equal to 5000. Okay, and theta upon V is given as 20. We just need to divide these two equations. When we divide them, we get 5000 upon 20. Sorry, I'll just correct this one. It is 20, right? 250 V upon I. V upon I is written as R. R equal comes out to be 250 ohms.